My name is Greg Villan. I'm the owner of Inflow Safety, a company that deals with safety training and mobile equipment training in British Columbia. I started my career here in British Columbia as a commercial diver. Then I moved to safety with becoming a construction safety officer. And a few years later, I started my own company. We offer a wide variety of training, mobile equipment mostly, all classes of forklift, air lift in the form of boom lift and scissor lift, and we have the equipment such as overhead crane and bucket truck. Clients come to us usually because they want to improve. That's the most of the case scenario. They just want to help their workers. They are genuinely, concerned about the well-being of their workers, and they want everybody in their company to be safe.
Greg worked with each of us as individuals as well as with us as a team to make sure that everybody was brought along at their own pace. Greg's personality is a big part of why we were able to have so much success together. He really found a way to engage with the individuals that we have working here, and he made a point of understanding their comfort zones and working with them so that no one was left behind. And as far as working with the team goes and his instructional technique, he finds a way to make it fun and keep everybody together and keep everybody focused.
Having a good, positive and fun attitude, I think, makes the course better and more enjoyable for the students. During the certification course, we go through the CSA standards and the WorkSafeBC regulation to show you all the safety aspect of using the equipment. And when we go outside for the practical part, we get to follow this direction from both CSA and WorkSafeBC. Another part of safety management is the coaching that we also offer to you guys. Basically, we take a worker of yours that is willing to learn about safety, and we build that person into a role that is going to become the safety practitioner for the company. If you decide to go for the safety management system, we offer mini audits of your safety system. So we go to your place of work and basically we study all your paperwork, and we observe also how your workers are following your safety manual and your safety policies.
If you're working with Inflow, you can feel comfortable and confident that you'll be in good hands. Developing your safety program forces us to be vulnerable, forces us to acknowledge bad habits, old habits, things that need to change, and that's not always comfortable. But when you work with Greg and when you work with Inflow Safety, you get an opportunity to shed that burden and bring yourself into the modern age of safety and construction.